These are the headers for the F150. These are made out of 304 stainless steel, so they won't rust and they won't cry under pressure like your ex. More power? Check. Better sound? Absolutely. You've got options. Plug into your factory exhaust to keep things chilled. Or you can unlock the beast with our Stainless Works headers and catback. One says, I respect my neighbor. The other says, hope you like V8 Thunder at 6 a.m., motherfucker. These are mandrel bent for the smoothest of airflows. Oh yeah, some serious airflow there. You want the green thumb in there?